Everyone, right now it's thundering so much. I've never seen it thunders this much before in my life, and this is very unusual in Arizona. Oh God, that was big. Well, luckily it's not loud because I'm scared of thunders. I was usually get under my bed, but it's just like this, so it's all good. I don't mind it was like this, but when it's like loud, it's like, I get scared. So yeah, a little thunderstorm. It's dark, scaring me. Uh-oh. I'm not sure if the audio is going to pick this up, but it looks like it's getting louder. But heck, oh God. Well, this is Arizona to you. For those of you who are not saying we don't get rain or thunders, here you go. I'm just kidding. I went through up. So yeah, this is Arizona thunders. It's very quiet. I like that. I like it when it's thundering, but yet quiet. I like it. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you all later. Bye bye.